Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing feature on YouTube Mobile. How to search for a song just by humming it. Yes, you heard that right. You can now find that song stuck in your head even if you don't know the lyrics. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the YouTube Mobile app on your phone. Make sure you sign in to your Google account. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. You'll see an microphone icon next to the search bar. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, instead of speaking, start humming the tune that's stuck in your head. Try to hum clearly and continuously for about 10 to 15 seconds. YouTube will take a few moments to process your hum and then display a list of songs that match the tune. Scroll through the results and see if your song is listed. Once you find the song you were looking for, just tap on it to start playing, and there you go, mystery solved. And that's it. That's how you can use the hum to search feature on YouTube mobile to find songs. It's a super handy tool for those times when you just can't remember the lyrics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy humming.